We're surrounded by images. They're in our feeds, our news, and our group chats. But how often do we stop and ask, where did this come from? What's missing? Why does it make me feel something? In a world where visuals shape how we understand events, people, and truth itself, being able to read an image critically is no longer optional. It's essential. In this lesson, you'll learn what visual literacy means, why it matters in today's media landscape, and how the Adobe-led Content Authenticity Initiative helps bring transparency and trust back to digital content. Visual literacy is the ability to interpret, analyze, and evaluate images with the same critical eye we apply to written text. It's not just about noticing what's in the frame, it's also about asking what's not in the frame and why. Think about a photo of a protest. Is it zoomed in to show a single person, or pulled back to show the crowd? Is it taken during a moment of tension or calm? Every choice, angle, lighting, timing, shapes the story the image tells. And that's why visual literacy matters. It helps us ask better questions and make smarter judgments about what we see. Images are powerful. They can evoke emotion, build trust, and make stories feel real, even when they're not. And that's why manipulated visuals are so effective at spreading misinformation. A photo doesn't need to be fake to be misleading. Cropping, filters, or missing context can all shift meaning. And in a media landscape where visuals dominate, especially on social platforms, the ability to read images critically is a core skill, not just for journalists or designers, but for everyone. Enter the Content Authenticity Initiative, CAI for short. The Adobe-led CAI is a cross-industry effort to accelerate broad adoption of content credentials, which help people understand where digital content comes from and how it's been edited. It gives creators and viewers the tools to make informed decisions. Here's how it works. When you create an image using tools like Adobe Photoshop or Firefly, you can attach content credentials. These credentials can show who made the image, what edits were made, and when. It's like a digital nutrition label, transparent, verifiable, and built to support trust. And it's not just for pros. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or someone sharing visuals online, content credentials help you stand behind your work and understand the work of others. Let's say you're scrolling through social media and see a striking photo of a news event. It's dramatic, emotional, and getting shared widely. But is it real? Was it edited? Who took it? With tools like Adobe Content Authenticity Inspect, you can check the content credentials and see the image's origin, edit history, and creator. That context helps you decide whether to trust it and whether to share it. For creators, it's equally powerful. You can prove your authorship, show your process, and protect your work from misuse. It's a way to build credibility and stand out in a crowded digital space. Visual literacy isn't just about seeing. It's about understanding. The Content Authenticity Initiative is helping to create the tools to verify, question, and trust digital content. So the next time you see a powerful image, don't just react, read it. Ask where it came from, what is it trying to say, and what's missing. And as a creator, consider how content credentials can help you build trust, protect your work, and contribute to a more transparent visual culture. Remember, clarity is power, and context, it's everything.